In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert camera Microsoft Teams. If your camera preview looks flipped or the text on your screen appears backward to you, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to control that. In Teams, the feature you're looking for is called Mirror My Video. It doesn't change what other people see, it only changes your own preview so you can choose the view that feels most natural while you present or take notes. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. At the top of the app, look for the three dots menu near your profile. Click it to open the main menu, then choose Settings. This is where Teams keeps all its preferences, including camera options. You can do this before you join a meeting or at any time when the app is open, and the change takes effect immediately. Inside Settings, go to the Devices section. This is where your audio and video hardware is configured. You'll see your camera options along with a live preview. Make sure the correct camera is selected so you can confirm changes in real time. If the preview isn't showing, toggle the camera off and back on in the preview area to refresh it. Now scroll down within the Devices page until you find the Video Settings area. Look for the option labeled Mirror My Video. This setting flips your self view horizontally, similar to a selfie. When it's turned on, your movements and on-screen gestures match what you expect in a mirror. When it's turned off, your preview shows exactly what your audience sees, which is helpful if you're holding up printed text, annotating a physical whiteboard, or sharing something with writing that you want to read correctly on your screen. Use the toggle to turn Mirror My Video on or off. You'll see the change instantly in the preview window. Remember, this setting only affects your view. Your meeting attendees will always see the correct non-mirrored orientation. If the preview doesn't update, confirm that the right camera is selected under Camera and give the preview a second to refresh. You can also double check that lighting and framing look good while you're here, since this is the same place you'd return to adjust devices later. That's all you need. Open Teams, go to Settings, select Devices, scroll to Video Settings, and toggle Mirror My Video to match the view you prefer. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, you're ready to jump into your next meeting with your camera oriented exactly the way you want.